Hello, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 3rd of January 2022. So when you write the calendar, don't forget, write your check. Don't forget, 2022, not 2021. Later your check get bounced. Wow, today big drop, KLCI, big drop. So market is not happy with the stamp duty, everybody know. And also the Friday, the window dressing also now exposed already, the window dressing. So also we got one, the stamp duty. So I actually did a summary. What are the stamp duty? Stock type, company share, aka share is 0.15%, keeping at 1,000. Preference share, preference A share is also 0.15, loan stock 0.15, exchange traded fund, bond, not fund, also 0.15, capping at over 1,000. So this one, rights is also rights is 0.10, okay, not 0.15. Warrant also still remains 0.10, RET, trust and close-ended fund also 0.10, capping still remain 200. So these are the one that actually changed. Okay. So today market got some hot stock. We take a look. Okay, let's check out the disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's take a quick look at BURSA. Oh yeah, take a quick look at this one first. KLCI. Okay, so KLCI today one gap down, open hours, one gap down, gap back towards 1546 . Here, okay, open around here, close around here so open one gap down today in the early morning, one gap down. One gap down over here, so expected first of all, the window dressing. Secondly, you know the market not so happy about the tax, the duty Okay, so it's still okay You look at the trend, right? The trend, don't worry first. Don't look at this what they call it the volatility, daily volatility. We look at the long term, right? We look at the long term. The market ebb and flow, right? Don't too worry about that, right? Unless you are trading the index alone direct. So we are looking at this uptrend, okay? As long as you stay above this line, we are still in the uptrend, so don't be too worried, okay? Even though there is a correction come down, as long as stay above this line, stay above 1525, we are still okay, okay? The market is still okay. So let's look at what happened to the KLCI, BURSA today. Sentiment 49, up a bit from the morning Gainers 349, losers 368, still okay push up a bit. 1.23 billion, okay Volume is not too small. Now it's 11:56. Still got half an hour to go. Drop 16.1.02%. So got a little push up So consumer up 0.1. Industry drop 0.6. Construction, of course, got some push up on Friday Construction drop 0.3. Technology up 0.29. Finance up 0.29. Sorry, technology up 0.327, finance 0.29, property 0.68 down, plantation 0.118. Plantation got some energy, RET up down 0.0201, sorry, energy down 0.12. Healthcare today big drop 2.55 as I said healthcare Friday got one big window dressing on the Friday telecommunication down 2. Telecommunication big drop what happened Transportation up down 0.02, utilities down up 0.03 So the big one is this one plantation up quite good. Healthcare big drop, and this telecommunication big drop. This one you need to watch out. Okay, let's look at the. Before that, don't forget yesterday we look at I review all the stock that we talked about the whole week, and also Saturday don't forget to watch look at all KLCI sector, KLSE sector so we want to look at the global index and the sector what's going on. Okay, and want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com trading with KS. Okay, so let's check out the top gainers today. What are the strong stock? Okay, GENETEC today quite strong, got rebound 4.6%, got some volume. SIMB also got rebound 3.2, got some volume. Heineken got some small rebound, little volume. KLK okay, got some rebound. 0.9%. FNN Kobe today quite strong. Later we take a look. Volume quite big. Kobe. Penta also volume quite big. We want to take a look. Penta, KHIND maybe want to take a look. Got some volume. Hong Leong Bank, we wait for it to break out first. ANCOM, big volume, we want to take a look. Or IOICORP also big volume. Okay, we need to take a look. IOICORP. Text implementation. OPCOM today big volume. OPCOM. Take a look OPCOM. Maybe want to goring again OPCOM. Okay, so these are the one that we want to take a look in the morning GENETEC, SIMB, ANCOM, Kobe, OPCOM, D&O, Penta, KHIND, and IOICORP. We take a quick look. GENETEC. Okay, GENETEC very near to bonus issue already now, going up, back up. So market is still optimistic on this bonus issue. Okay, so if today stay up, right, means market optimistic want to push it up some more. Want to push it up some more. So this one probably can try. So remember, a bonus issue sometime before bonus issue pump up. Okay, after bonus issue, it might drop. Or most of the time, right, after bonus issue, right, after the split, right, it will pump one time up first before it will drop one. So you have to be careful. So this one looks okay to continue go up. I think this one will continue go up to the 7 January. Okay, 7 January Friday. Okay, so they want to pump before this one. Okay, a lot of interest before the bonus issue split. Possible after the split will be one more pump before it drop. A lot of time is like that. I'm not saying guarantee will happen. A lot of time is like that. SIMB. SIMB okay, SIMB that day we say already break out, continue to hold. Looks like it's going up. Okay, 25, 17, 29, and 33. Our 3 target. Okay, continue hold. Looks good. ANCOM last week also breakthrough. We talked about ANCOM also, right? Got chance. Okay, so ANCOM continue go up. We said ANCOM, okay, breakthrough. Okay, possible buy opportunity. So this one continue go up, continue to hold. Looks good. Kobe. Industry still strong. Industry looks still strong. But today drop industry. Kobe have to be a bit careful. Kobe we cut loss. We put nearer. We didn't go. We put nearer cut loss, and we have to watch 6.5 because this one could be the fourth wave. Or if the fourth wave already, then we have to take profit at 6.5. Whether it go through or not. So far it's still going up. Okay, we are still holding this. Kobe okay. OPCOM today big volume. Let's see OPCOM what happened. OPCOM want to goring or not? Look like want to goring. OPCOM. Okay, OPCOM we draw a line here. 1.20. Okay, if tonight it can stay above 1.020 tonight, maybe we can pick some bottom. Maybe another goring coming. Because OPCOM, right? The 5G starting already, right? I think OPCOM maybe got a possible we got a goring or something coming for OPCOM. Or because the 5G coming now, we already pick a reversal. Maybe short term not long term but maybe if you already got caught buying high, this is your chance to run. Okay, maybe we can pick some bottom at OPCOM here. Let me see. OPCOM we already make last time here. Remember here we already make one time already. I think OPCOM coming. At least towards this one. 1.335 maybe cannot reach this one 1.7, but 1.335 maybe can. look at the first 1.13, see whether it can go through. It can go through, possible. Look at 1.335. But see tonight whether it can hold above 1.020 first, or you turn back. Okay, OPCOM tonight we have to take a look. OPCOM. D&O got some volume in the morning. Take a quick look. D&O. Haven't breakout. D&O breakout 6.0 first. 6.025 first. Not yet breakout. D&O not yet. Penta also got volume today coming in. Penta, take a look. Penta breaking up already. But Penta so far no energy. It keep on sideways. So you're holding, continue to hold. If you want to jump in, I think better jump in after it break through 5.82. Better jump in after breakthrough 5.82. If you cannot hold above 5.82, 1, 2, 3, 4 times already cannot pass here. So best for it to go through here first. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. If you cannot go through, right, it might just sideways again. Penta. KHIND. Today KHIND got something. Got some push. KHIND. Take a quick look. KHIND, let me see. KHIND looks like having a push up. Okay, KHIND, if you bought high here, this is your chance to run. Okay, this is your chance to run. No volume. I think KHIND is chance to run, not chance to invest. Chance to run. Or if you really buy high, I think it's opportunity to run. Possible if you come towards 4.42 here. Okay, a rebound towards this area is a chance to run. Means you got caught. IOICORP. IOICORP. Let me see the long term. Coming down, lower low, higher low. This is a weak complex. Broke head and shoulder, Kenanga 4.05. Okay, this one is hold above 3.8. 3.855. Hold above 3.855 only we talk. Or else cannot. Don't go in first. Okay, so that's it for our morning video. See you in the evening. Stay safe from COVID. COVID now as Omicron spreading. Bye bye.